this video, I will introduce you how to use this water writing cloth. And this is a special cloth used for practicing Chinese calligraphy and could be used instead of rice paper. Just the thumb rule. The most important thing is never use ink on this cloth. Use brand new brush, dip in the water, and then you are okay to go. Start to write. When you write, the cloth will turn into dark color. How did you write? How did you perform? And just leave it for a while. When it dry, it will turn back to the light color, like never write anything on it before. You can keep using that for thousands, millions times. And the grid on the cloth will help you to organize the structure of the Chinese character, and also the small ones you can use to practice the stroke. Drying, it will turn back to the original color and you can start to write again.